All right, team. The saga continues. You know, I had to get my red radiator hose back in the business, Mo. Black shit was hella bland, B. You know, low radiator hose is decent, but it's leaking from the bottom joint. Like, no matter how tight I put the clamp and then I change clamps, still leaking. So just ordered some new joints. I'm about to change this reservoir hose out here with that one. And yeah, team, should be wavy, Mo. You know what I mean? Fresh hoses, love that shit. Love it, love it, love it, love it. You know, got my contraption, get it popping so we could get the air out the system. Let's see, where is my other radiator cap? And we'll be good to go, team. So you already know. For me, you know me, I love my Mishimoto to death. Radiator, hoses, you know what I mean? We keep your shit cool. So if you're looking to pick these up for your Maxima, they don't make the Mishimoto joint specifically for our car. So you would have to go with the 350Z. 350Z with quite a few Mishimoto products is real close to our car. So that's what I'm doing. We're about to fill this back up, start the car so we could get all the air out the system. Next joint on the list, let's get the front brakes and rotors done. Then we'll jack up the back, take care of that. And that should be the whole kit and caboodle already. All right, team, keeping y'all in the loop. Power steering. This hose seems to be leaking, so replacement. We'll replace the hose, metal piping or cooling pipe going down for the power steering. That could be while my power steering sounds like shit. And we're back over here tackling this clutch. So I got it. I'm about to take out the brake booster. That's already loose. Took the 4 bolts off of that. We'll go in the car so I can show you guys that. And clutch master cylinder. First and foremost, in part of my Swahili, fuck you, Nissan, for putting this shit all the way in the corner like this, bro. This is just dirty. It's grimy right here, bro. Like, come on. Tucked all the way in the bag. So, we'll get that back out. Double check, make sure that that's good. I believe my slave is still good. Slave master cylinder right under there. If you guys can see it. Right there. So we'll check both of those just to make sure everything's good, but let me show you what it look like in the car. Ladies and gents and ladies. So we're in here, right? So I took the 4 12mm bolts and the little slider pin with the clip off. That's on your brake booster over here, right? You gotta take that off so you'll have space to take this damn clutch master cylinder out. Now for your clutch master cylinder, 2 12mm bolts, a slide pin as well. It's gonna be over here, so right over there, that side. And then over here for the other side, I haven't taken it out yet, but yeah, team, just wanted to keep y'all in the loop. This is what we doing. Knocking out this clutch joint just to make sure that we're straight. You know what I'm saying? Can't have no spongy pedals whatsoever. Let's get it. All right, team, y'all see where we at. So I got the master clutch cylinder out. You can see a little bit of fluid here, but it's not consistent. So let me see if I can finger on it. So here, so we can see I'm pushing down. If we're not getting constant fluid, there's fluid still in here. So that's the little bit that came out. Like every several 10 pumps, I get a good squirt of clutch fluid or brake fluid coming out. And yeah. Still got fluid. Got nothing coming out though. So that's the problem there. New master on the way. Come through so I can double check and see what is going on with this slave if I need to change that. But yeah, team, you know, always something. So while we work on parts for that, I'm gonna see what's going on with this power steering as well. Let's get it. All right, team, you know what it is, baby. Changing this pressure line, power steering hose. So old one, new one in. Tell you, with this hose, the shit was a bitch just cause you don't have but so much hose to grab right here. So you don't want to pull too much and like break the rest of the hose or anything like that. And just clean up factor. Gotta clean up. But yeah, it's doable. It's like, just want to make sure you're prepared. Have a turkey baster. Got as most power steering fluid out of the reservoir as I could. The rest that kind of leaked down, I wish I had a cup or something that would have caught it, but didn't have anything that would really fit. So, hella shop towels. Let's go. All right, team. So I got the hose, right? I don't think this is a return hose. I'm not 100% sure, but got the hose in. Everything is cool. Let me see if I can tighten this up over here. So this will sit up just a little bit so the hose is not touching at all. Tighten those up and we'll be good, baby. But before I put the coolant reservoir back, I'm gonna slide to Nissan, bro. I don't wanna do it, but I'm gonna slide to Nissan so I can go get this VVT solenoid and actually replace it with a factory joint. Like, had an aftermarket joint in there. I don't know if it was working or not, because once I solved my other problems, then this became a problem. So it's like I changed it prematurely before I fixed the issues in the back and connecting that. So yeah, team. See, I actually swapped this one and put that here. Took this one, put that here. Not getting anything, so I'll probably just end up getting a brand new one. You know what I'm saying? See what we got. All right, team, you already know we back at it. So this is the old one. I just put the plug in there, but you see I got the new one set up. So I'm gonna hood style bench bleed this right quick, just so we can make sure we have as much air. I know it's not gonna be all the air, but as much air out of this new Exedy clutch master cylinder. So cleaned out the reservoir, squeaky clean, repainted the bracket just to touch it up, repainted the cap as well, but just wanted to bench bleed this so we could get as much air out as possible. So when we do install, it's not gonna be that much air in it, bare minimum, if anything. So let's do it. Oh, yeah, gotta add a brake fluid. We're gonna run through that. But you know, I got the Motol on deck when I'm ready to lock in. So let's just get that out the way. 1, 2, 3. All right, team. Here we go. VVT solenoid. Gotta change this one here. Since I was doing the power steering hose, I figured I'd just leave the coolant jug over there and I'll be able to move this around a little bit. Took the bracket out off of that so I could get to the bottom portion of the hose. So let me slap this in. Yo, my guys, it hurt my heart, bro. From the dealership for this shit, bro. From the dealership. Bring some change, bro. Throwing some change. Whatever, yo. I had to look at the receipt, but that's exactly what we'll be snatching out to put in. So hopefully everything works out with the swap. Everything should be good. Let's see what's up. So my guys, I just cleaned the whole actuator and then cleaned the VVT solenoids individually. Reset this shit. We're going on 27 miles, my nigga. No check engine. So let's see what's up. This shit is pulling right though, I'll tell you that. Oh no, definitely not doing that. truck engine. Probably just got to get a tune and we be in there, team.